I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be trying to make icy slime, trying to get it to look like this. I have some instant snow, some activator. I hope it works. Last time I did it, it was so sticky. So let's get started. Starting to get sticky. Hopefully activator works. My table is a mess. Oh my god, my camera is falling. Looking good so far. Still sticky. I think I am done. So this one is the one that I made right now. This is the one I made earlier and it sat for like 10-20 minutes. You can tell it's kinda better. So yeah, I think it's better if it sat for 10 min. So here's both of the slimes. So I think it kind of worked. Make sure to like and subscribe. And in the comments, let me know if it looks like the pic from the beginning of the video. Bye!
I got my head out the sun.